I'm gonna use these and add more soil to plant my rose. This one kind of looks like it's dying, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so far so good, right? I'm gonna need some more soil. Hold on. I should be planting stuff, so hope she ain't plant nothing. Now, what we're gonna do is get this flower pot out. So I'm gonna try to squeeze the sides so details. Which one is that? Okay. So this is basically the plant. I'm sorry, I don't have a cameraman. That's why the view from the camera is not so accurate, not so perfect, but not enough. This is like about this much. Look at this side. With more soil, or either what I can try to do is like dig it more down. Just add more soil. I think we should add more soil. Let's hold up. So you guys can get a better view to do this. As you can see, so that day after I was recording recording my planting, I'm thinking like maybe if you had glucose, the flower might be strong, because I saw this one dying, so 2 days and look at this one. Beautiful, huh? Growing. So I was thinking of changing the soil to make the plant a little bit stronger, grow a little faster, more healthier. About 2 more, I'm gonna try to see how it works. And last year I planted a cherry. Let me show you this first. This is the cherries. As you can see, was planted. I mean, sorry, not cherry. What am I saying? Strawberry. Yes, the strawberry plant. This plant wasn't here at first. This plant was next to that fence over there. But what's really funny and what's more interesting is, look, one little seed fell to the side, and guess what? It's like planted. I mean, not even planted. Just seed fell. That's growing from the woods. It's like, that's crazy, right? And look, it's gonna let me strip this off. 3 strawberries coming up. And this is, see that? After that, So that's basically it. I have a couple other ones that I still haven't started yet. You know, this, what do you call this, mint plant? You know, this is a mint plant. It's like vines. You know, some are dead. This one looks pretty healthy. You see the leaves. We actually used a lot. What we do is basically pinch it off. We just pinch it and we use it, you know, for our salads, for cooking or whatever it is. So this branch over here, I brought out from down there before, but because of the wind, it fell off. So, you know, it fell off because of the wind. So we're gonna put it right back. It's hard to keep it steady because, mind you, I'm using my iPhone 7, my old phone, when I first right there. There you go. Okay. Then it has some green stems around it, so I believe there's hope. I think there's hope, yeah. And trust me, the smell of this plant is really beautiful. Most of these plants I smell, when I go to these florists, gardens, whatever, to pick flowers, it barely has any smell. Out of maybe 100, one or two flowers actually has smell. So this project, in my next video, I will show you. You know, let's see how it goes. For now.